Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. If you are new, my name is Nikki. Welcome. Today we are going to be unboxing the February 2021 Luxury Divas LD accessory box. I love this subscription. It is always fantastic. You get a variety of items, and when I say variety, I mean you literally get a little bit of everything from head to toe. Hats to sandals to sunglasses, everything in between, and it is always beautifully curated. I just can't say enough about this box. So Luxury Divas, it is a subscription. It is $30 a month. Now you can save $5 with a link and a code I will put down below. If you would like to sign up, you get your first month for only $25. And if you're only wanting to try a one-time box or something like that, they do have that option as well. That is $35. The promo code does work for that, so you could get that box for only $30. But they also have, which the link below will take you to, a website with all kinds of different items. Anything you can think of that they've had, you can purchase individually just from their site. You don't have to sign up for the subscription or the one-time box. You can purchase items individually. So let's get in here and see what we got for February 2021. So when you open the box, the first thing you see is a little information sheet. It does go over everything in your box. It does give you pricing, and it does add up the total value of your box, which I love because then I don't have to do math. They saved me a step. So the total value of my February box is $117. So let's get in here and see what our 5 to 6 items are going to be for February. Oh, okay. All right, so let's first start off with, there's always like a little treat, little snack. This is some little pretzels, X's and O's. That's so cute. All right, so the first thing I'm seeing are some fishnet pantyhose. It says Killer Legs, Florals in Bloom. This is like some va-va boom. Yes, ma'am. And these are $19. Ooh. Yes. I like those. All right, and then let's see. We have got, oh, this is a bronze and blush sun kiss from Italia Deluxe. Let's see, can we, it's got a safety seal on it. Let me get my box cutter so we can open this and take a look, because these shades look gorgeous. Oh, yes. Those are beautiful. And this is the Italia Deluxe Sunkiss Blush and Bronze Palette, $14. That is beautiful. Those 2 blush shades and then the shimmery bronzes. Yes. Okay. Then we have got all right, so then we have got a bracelet here. This is really pretty. So it's like a chain, and then it has a heart, which is really pretty. Sterling silver plated cage heart pendant chain bracelet, $25. So just out of curiosity. No, okay. I was wondering if the heart opened, but it does not. That is so pretty. Like, that is really, really pretty. All right, and then we have got oversized cable knit slouchy beanie cap. This is $16. I think that is so pretty. I love that it's in black. So soft. Definitely will keep your head warm. And right now, whew, we need it because it is cold here, y'all. Cold. All right. Then we have a black long organizer wallet with heart closure valued at $16, which is right here. So you can open it, and it's got lots of slots for cards, your ID. It's got a zipper pouch right here. And then a back there, a back there. So you can fit lots of stuff in here. That's nice. And then let's see. The final item is going to be a shirt. You do typically always receive some form of clothing. And I love the color. Oh, I love the sleeves. The sleeves are gorgeous. That's so fun. And the bottom, okay, this is the aqua blue high-low top with bell sleeves. This is valued at $27. Feels so soft and nice. So you can see they're kind of like the 3/4 length sleeves. I love the color. And then the bottom is the high-low. So a little higher in the front, lower in the back. I think that is gorgeous. This this is a really good box. We got a little sexiness happening. Like I said, va 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 boom. Yes. And then we have the shirt and the beanie and the bracelet and the bronzer and blush palette. I think is stunning. I think all of this is gorgeous. I love this box. Like I said, I cannot say enough about this box. I will put a link down below in the description if you would like to check them out, along again with that promo code to save you $5 off your first month as a subscription or just the one-time box, and you won't be disappointed, I promise. That's one thing I can definitely say and stand behind with Luxury Divas. You will not be disappointed. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts, what you think of the items in the box. If you get Luxury Divas, did you get anything different? I love hearing from you guys and seeing any variations. So let me know. So again, yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.